Hello everyone, I am Arafat Rahman. My student ID is 19101354. In this microcontroller-based data logger system project, I will explain the Arduino coding part. At first, I downloaded DHT sensor library from GitHub and then I have loaded the test program. Moreover, I have defined DHT type as DHT11 and then defined DHT pin as DHT pin 2. In the serial setup part, I have initialized the serial monitor with a baud rate of 9600. Furthermore, in the void loop, I have given delay value of 500. This delay ensures waiting of a couple of seconds between measurements. For reading the value from sensors, I have initialized three float variables like H, T, and F, where H means humidity, T stands for temperature in Celsius, and F stands for temperature in Fahrenheit. Hereafter, I have taken an if condition to check if there is any error or not. Then I have written serial print function and compiled the code. After compiling, we will get the .hex file for our code, which we will be using in Arduino Uno R3.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sajjatuddin Sakib. My ID is 182010339. In this 360 lab project, I have designed the circuit and done the simulation project on Proteus. To create this project, I have used Arduino Uno DHT11 virtual terminal and COM physical interface module. First, I connected VDT11 pin of DHT11 with 5-volt power module and ground pin with ground source. Then I created a connection between data pin of DHT2 and Arduino pin 2. Then I connected it with register of 4.7K and added it with power module. I have connected RxT pin of virtual terminal with TXT of Arduino. Then I connected TXT of Arduino with TXT of COM physical interface. Then I connected RxT of Arduino with RxT of COM physical interface. Then I uploaded the .hex file that was done by my teammate in this Arduino. As you can see, when the simulation is run, our virtual machine terminal can show the temperature and humidity, and we can also change the value through uh, change the value of humidity and temperature in DH2 sensors. Thank you.
I'm Sakib Sharir and my ID is 19101361. In this project, I have worked with LabViewPart. This is an interior software. This software has mainly two windows. One of them is front panel and another is block diagram. Front panel is generally used for user interface and block diagram is used for GUI programming here. You can see here in the screen that the left side is used for user interface or front panel and right side is for block diagram. We have added temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and two LEDs is in user interface. Constructive representation of user interface is block diagram. We have used LabVIEW for controlling LED interface, which refers better TXT and RxD communication. LabVIEW and Proteus are connected by virtual service port driver. Data logger system of this block diagram is set up in a while loop to iterate itself in every 0.5 seconds. Table control is responsible for changing data and record it as a table format. Array is set in a while loop where time, data, and sensor values are input. Extra 4 pins are the IDs of our group members as input. Visa input is created for getting the values of temperature and humidity. The output of the array will be recorded in the table by using the table control, and the temperature and humidity reading will be shown in temperature meter and humidity meter.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yasin Mahmood and my student ID is 191013446. I will be explaining the rest of the part. Firstly, in virtual serial port driver, we have created a pair which includes COM4 and COM6. Then we'll go to Arduino code. We'll compile this Arduino code and we'll get the location of hexa file. We'll copy this location and go to Proteus. In Proteus, we'll go to the properties of Arduino Uno R3 and paste it in program file here. Then we'll go to COM pin properties and we'll select COM4 since COM4 is in the virtual serial port driver. Same, we'll go to the lab view and in visa resource name we'll select COM6 since it is also in the virtual serial port driver. then we will start both program Proteus and LabVIEW at the same time. Right now I'm starting both of the program at the same time, and we'll get the datas. Here we have temperature, humidity, date, time, and our IDs. We can increase and decrease humidity or temperature in this DHT11, which will make difference in the graph. Thank you.